Hello everyone. So today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be setting up BuddyBoxing with an MZ-10 and an MZ-12. I've had some trouble getting this working, and so this video is basically going to be a reference for myself and anyone else who might have an issue getting this stuff working. So first of all, you're going to want your pupil or your student transmitter to be bound to the airplane already. So this is the MZ-10, which I'm going to be using as the student in this system. So you can see I've got it bound. I've got full control over it. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put this thing into student mode. So right now it's in normal mode, which you don't change the mode by doing this. What you do is you hold the mode that you want and the mode button down here, and then you turn the transmitter on. So I'm going to switch it into student mode right now. So I'm going to do that. All right, so now I'm in student mode. So we're going to set that there. Next, we're going to turn on our MZ-12 here. And one important thing about this is that you don't want this to be bound to anything. So right here I have my RX bind, there's nothing in there. So make sure it's unbound before you do this. And then go into trainer, and these, you can switch them back and forth, and it'll like toggle what's controllable by this and what isn't. So for example, all of these channels currently are controllable by this when my switch here is flicked. And you could set the switch down here as well. It's covered in the manual. But basically I have this on a switch such that they have control and then they don't. And that's easy to do. So now here's the fun part with all of this. What we're going to have to do is we're going to have to bind both of these transmitters to that receiver at the same time. So yeah, basically this will probably take a couple of tries to get right, but I'll go ahead and do it. So hold down the receiver button until you get it to be blank, and then go ahead and bind both of those. Oh, I messed up the binding. All right. All right. So now I think I've rebound properly. So we'll see if this works. Okay, so and there we go. All right. So one thing to keep in mind too, I've already set this up, but what you're also going to need to do is if you have something like a Delta mix, like I have this for this wing, the transmitter keeps different model memories set based on what position you have the switch in. Or not what position you have the switch in, but what mode you're in. So for example, I had to redo, you would have to redo any of your channel reversing's or Delta wing mixes or aileron mixes when you're in that specific mode. But yeah, that's basically it. I hope this helped you if you needed some help with this, like I did. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.